next performance tonight is by the Bandana Cultural School, a multidisciplinary school led by Dr. Tanima Banerjee. There is one very special thing about this group. This group of students have learned all their dances online. Can you imagine that? All of those steps online. Wow, I can't imagine. Okay. From virtual classrooms to a live stage today, their journey speaks of passion and perseverance. Before we begin, let's please test the audience energy. Yes, on the count of 3, can I have the loudest of your cheers? 1, 2, and 3. Come on, the loudest. Yes. Please welcome the Bandana Cultural School. Wow, I was not expecting that. I didn't expect it were the little ones. Just look at them, everyone, just look at them. When I said we learned online, I didn't expect the little ones. I thought be some grown-ups who are ace at taking their instructions, online. But these little ones learning online and then presenting in front of a full audience, wow, kudos, wow.